Hello and welcome to 8180 Eastwood Road. I'm going to take you on a short little tour here. We're going to go through those doors and I'll kind of show you what's going on with this fix and flip project, renovation we've got going on here. We're halfway through the project. We'll take a look. It probably doesn't feel like it or look like that inside. Obviously there's a lot going on, but we're looking to just kind of hit the final stretch here with what we got going on, getting some of this major work done. Once that's done, then we can get on with the details of this project. So this is what the outside looks like for this 8180 Eastwood Road, and we're going to head right through there. We'll see you on the inside. Thanks.
All right, welcome inside, a sneak peek at what we've got going on here. This wall right here, we're going to take out this wall. Back behind this wall, it's going to be a dining room area. A little peek at the kitchen. All the cabinets have been removed in this location. And then again, that wall right there will be removed. And we've got some plumbing going in here to the sink. We'll head down the hallway and we'll take a look at the bathroom just on the other side here. And again, just got some plumbing roughed in here as well. Took out the tub. Take a look at the master. This is going to be the owner's ensuite. Got that roughed in with some plumbing on both sides there. Little vanities. Owner's suite right here. That will be walled up, and you're looking at the back side of the closet for that bedroom. There will not be a toilet sitting at that location. So head back down here. We'll head to the basement, and right here, this is where it gets crazy right now. So there is like water dripping out of the plumbing right there in that bucket. We've got roughed in plumbing. So this is all open. They got to come in, do an inspection on this roughed in. We're adding a bathroom right there, bedroom back here. So you've got drain tile all set up. It's dug out completely. It is a mess down here. A major, not a setback. It's just progress. It just looks like a complete mess down here, but it's all for the good. So this basement is going to be all drain tiled and ready to go. And so all this will be finished off here. They just need to come out, inspect the plumbing, be good.
All right, well there it is. Obviously there is a lot going on inside that house. So we've got a lot of work to do yet, but it's really coming together. So we're really excited to keep this one pushing along. And yeah, if you have any questions on this property here, how we acquired it, any of the things with an investment property, what we do, my name again, Steve Leth with eXp Realty, buying and selling real estate investing here in the Minneapolis, St. Paul area here in Minnesota. Anything we can do to help you out. You have any questions, information's in the comments below. And yeah, feel free to reach out. We'll go through everything and tell you about this one, all the other projects we've got going on, and anything else we can help you with.